Ever pondered on the meaning of pay yourself first? It's a concept often associated with money, but it extends far beyond financials. It's about prioritizing yourself in all aspects of life, from self-care and personal development, to relationships, financial well-being, and time management. It's about recognizing and meeting your needs first, to enhance your overall well-being and increase your capacity to contribute positively to your life. Intrigued? Let's unravel these aspects one by one. The first aspect to consider is self-care, which covers both physical and mental health. When it comes to your physical well-being, think of it as making a deposit into your health savings account. Prioritizing exercises that you enjoy, nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, and ensuring you get ample rest. These are ways you're paying yourself first. It's an investment that enables you to function at your best and tackle daily challenges with vigor. Now let's talk about mental health. It's just as important as physical health, yet often overlooked. Dedicating time for relaxation, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in activities that spark joy. These are crucial for maintaining a balanced mental state. It's about allowing yourself to recharge and better handle stress and challenges that life throws your way. Remember, a healthy body and mind are your greatest assets, so pay yourself first by investing in self-care because you're absolutely worth it. Another crucial aspect is your personal development. This journey of self-improvement is not a destination but a constant voyage of discovery, growth, and refinement. Imagine each day as a blank page in the book of your life, waiting to be filled with new knowledge, skills, and experiences. How do you pay yourself first in this context? You invest in your growth and knowledge, whether it's enrolling in an online course, reading a book that sparks your curiosity, or attending a workshop that hones your skills. Every effort you make towards learning is a deposit into your future self. Moreover, setting and working towards goals is a vital part of your personal development. These goals serve as your compass, guiding you towards your desired future. They give your actions purpose, your efforts direction, and your life meaning. So, take time to identify, set, and work towards your goals. Remember, your growth and development are investments with lifelong returns. Let's explore how pay yourself first applies to relationships. Investing time in building meaningful connections with loved ones is like making a deposit in your emotional bank. It enriches your life, fostering a sense of belonging and happiness. Simultaneously, setting boundaries is an essential aspect of self-respect. It ensures your relationships are balanced, preventing you from sacrificing your well-being for others. It's about understanding and asserting your needs while respecting others. Strong relationships and respect for personal boundaries contribute to a fulfilling life. Financial well-being is a popular context for pay yourself first. In the realm of finance, this principle often translates to prioritizing savings and investments. The idea is to set aside a portion of your income for your future self before you address other expenses. This practice of financial self-care cultivates a safety net, providing security and opening up opportunities for future endeavors. Investments, similarly, are a way to pay your future self. Putting your money into assets that grow over time, whether stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business, can lead to wealth accumulation and financial stability. Debt management too is an essential aspect of paying yourself first financially. By prioritizing debt repayment, you're effectively investing in a future free from financial stress and constraints. Remember, the goal is not just to survive, but to thrive. And that begins with taking control of your financial destiny. Financial security and freedom are fundamental for peace of mind. Lastly, let's talk about time management. Integrating the principle of paying yourself first into your time management strategy can be a game changer. Prioritizing productivity, focusing on high-value tasks and important goals, is like making an investment in your future. But don't forget to balance it out with rest. Downtime is not wasted time, it's an essential recharge for your energy, enhancing your overall productivity. Remember, time is the one resource you can't get more of. Well-managed time is a testament to a well-managed life. To sum up, pay yourself first is a comprehensive concept. It's about nurturing physical and mental health, sparking personal growth, fostering meaningful relationships, achieving financial security, and mastering time management. It's prioritizing your needs, not in a selfish way, but to equip yourself to face life's challenges and contribute positively to the world around you. So embrace this concept, apply it in every facet of your life. Remember, paying yourself first is the key to a balanced and fulfilling life.